Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to cancel Flow app subscription on iOS device. So guys, this is simple method. Launch your iOS setting app. After that, select your name on subscription and you see subscription and tap on iTunes or Apple Store and start. Then select your Apple ID and select view ID, sign and scroll down and select subscription. Tap on the Flow and my health tracker. Choose the can subscription. If you can see cancel subscription, then you click on cancel button and you charge Android. Open Google Play Store application your device and click the profile icon and middle tap payment subscription and choose Flow Health and record the calendar from the list of subscription. Choose cancel subscription. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video for more content. See you.